example, that's a number, and when you put the double quote here, it will change to a string. That's the example of a string. Example of a var. Here, example number 1, which is this one, var x is equals to hello world, it has given us the hello world here. Here we are storing a string data type in variable. Here we are storing a string data type, which is string in a variable. So let's go to learn about let. Now that's how we can use the var, var to declare the variables. Now we go to let. Now you go to let number 2 let. Now let's learn about let. In let, keyword in JavaScript is used to declare a block scoped variable. Let keyword is in JavaScript is used to declare a block scoped variable. This means that the variable is only visible within the block in which it is declared. For example, let's write the statement. For example, of var. Let's we learn that let keyword in JavaScript is used to declare a block scoped variable. This means that the variable is only visible within the block in which it is declared. For example, let x is equals 10. Let x is equals 10. Then if x is greater than 5, if x is greater than 5, let y is equals 20, or let's say 40. Let's say 40. This one, console log y. So here we are learning about let. Let x is equals 10 if x is greater than 5. Let y is equals 40. Then you have to print which one? You have to print. Now it will be 40. Now here is the 40. Here is 40. Here is 40. So that's the example of let. That's example of let. Let's learn about now const. Let's now learn about const. This one now is const. Go to learn about const after learning the letter. Now to learn const. The const keyword in JavaScript is used. The const keyword in JavaScript is to declare a constant variable. It's used to declare a constant variable. This means that the variable cannot be reassigned to a new value. For example, you say const a is equals 4. Then log console log a, console log a. Then we have to print it. Then we have to print it. Then it will give us 4. That's example number 1. Now example number 2. Const b is equals to 50. Then you put log. We have to write console.log. Remember that console.log, and then we put b. Then we put here the semicolon. Remember to put that semicolon. Then we have to come here. Then we print it. It gives us the 50. So when you look at 50, you can just find here. You'll just find here this one. And if you come here, very well. When you come and see this one, script JS6, script JS9. So that's how we learn. That's how we declare. That's how we declare a variable. A variable in JavaScript. And that's for today. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Muge Web Developer. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to follow me on Facebook page. We will be learning this JavaScript slowly by slowly. We have to learn and understand. And thank you very much for